Massive ruckus erupts in Karnataka Assembly. Remember how the Karnataka Assembly is witnessing a stormy session as the BJP is all set to table the contentious anti-cow slaughter amendment bill. This controversial bill was passed in Karnataka Assembly on 9th of December, following which Congress members also staged a walkout in protest. And now once again, a lot of chaos that can be witnessed. Congress MLC has forcefully in fact removed the deputy chairman as well. That's the latest piece of information we're picking up. If we keep up with these visuals from Karnataka Assembly, a lot of ruckus that was anticipated already as the BJP is tabling the contentious anti-cow slaughter amendment bill. Congress MLC forcefully removes deputy chairman. That's the latest piece of information we're picking up. Deputy chairman was in the chair. Arguments began, following which Congress MLC forcefully removed deputy chairman from the chair. Quickly taking a word from our reporters as well. Joining us on the broadcast is Sagairaj. Sagairaj, a lot of ruckus as was anticipated in the Karnataka Assembly. Take us through the visuals that we're picking up.
So what we get to learn from the opposition party leader S.R. Patil, who just spoke to us and said that much before the chairman could arrive, that is K. Pratap Chandra Shetty, could arrive to his seat, Deputy Chairman Dharmegowda from JDS had occupied the seat. So that has led for the ruckus inside the council. They said that it is undemocratic for Dharmegowda to occupy the chair much before the chairman can visit and take his seat. That is the reason they had forcefully lifted him and asked him to leave. Now he has stepped out. The opposition party leader in the council, S.R. Patil, has stepped out and justified their move. So you can see in the visuals, the Netas are fighting on prevention of cow slaughter bill, a special session which was been called after BJP had knocked the doors of governor, and governor have asked to convene a special session, and this session had begun in this morning, and minutes before the chairman Pratap Chandra Shetty could reach, Dharmegowda from JDS had reached the chairman post and he refused to leave the chair. That is what the justification given by the Congress, who had forcefully lifted Dharmegowda from his seat, removed him from the council and asked him to leave from the council session this morning. You can see over here, the opposition party leaders are here. They are lining up and they are protesting against what has happened inside the council. There was a huge ruckus where the deputy chairman was forced and lifted outside the session this morning. The footage clearly shows that what has happened in